Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have a 2015 C300 Mercedes-Benz luxury car. This customer is complaining he has a check engine on it, but when I was checking out on the check engine was something not easy. You're working hard to fix that problem. Let's show you guys what this is. This is the sexy right here. The customer has his own parts. Okay, he bought it from Benz. After the diagnostic that I made, this is the baby right here. This is what we're gonna dealing with. That's the guy we're gonna dealing with. This is a big job, and the Mercedes even asks for the core. This core has to be returned to Mercedes-Benz, which is what we're dealing with. I'm just showing you guys. We have to remove, you can say, half of the engine. The whole intake has to be out, or this in the front. The whole intake, air filter to come out, and plus I have to remove the engine mount as well to get that. So let's start it right now. Most of the time I won't be showing you guys how I'm gonna be moving it, because I already showed you guys the whole piece here has to be removed. So once I get to that direction, and I'll show you guys again. All right. Okay, this is the part. It was on the air filter. I removed the air filter. It was connected from one here, one there, and one here. This is the wire I just disconnected from this guy here. And this is one of the pieces I already removed. That's the one that's connected from the top of the air filter. Then down here, this is the turbo right here. On the bottom here, this is a turbo is going to it, as you guys can see here. Then now I'm just gonna keep moving out to remove this big guy here, which is like where the coolant is passing through. It has two hoses, one on the top and one on the bottom. I'm gonna remove it. He has one bolt here. He has another one here, and so that I believe he has some in the back as well too. And I will already remove this connector here, and keep going to make some way to put it out, the whole pieces. Now it's time to attack the intake. Remove all those PCM, all those spaces right here on it. So now it's time to remove the intake now on it. Using the flex to remove this one. This is where we are right now. Half of the engine already out. So now this is the baby I'm going to pick up, which is like this guy here. That's the line. This line. Yes, I have to pick up. So now I have to remove the engine mount. As soon as I remove the engine mount, then the sexy will coming out. Yeah, we're close to coming out. We're close. We're gonna take it out right now. I have one last bolt here. This is for the engine mount. This is a 3/8. See, that's a 3/8. For this guy here, I have to go get it right in the corner here. I have no space. No space here. It's really tight. The sex is tight. Yeah. If you're not patient, this job is not for you. You have to be very, very patient. Yeah, if you're not patient, my friend, oh my God, Lord have mercy. This is not for you if you're not patient. This, my Lord. Let's take out that section right here. Here's the engine mount right there. Let's put it here. This is our friends. Yeah. This is it. Come on, baby. Come here. This way. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay. There we go. Oh. Oh my God. This is it. Finally. Oh. This is the papa right here. We're gonna make sure this is the same one. This is coming from Mercedes-Benz. This is the parts number right here. Yep. And Mercedes-Benz Max. You have to send the call back for them. If you don't send the call back, you have $70. They're gonna hold it. Come on. Okay. Let's make sure this is the same parts that we're looking for. Okay. Yeah. That this guy going on the top. This was going up here. Okay. That's the other one because of the here. And one part I didn't see. This supposed to have it, but we didn't have the same breather right here. This is another breather here. It should be fine. They're the same one. Okay. This is it. You're gonna put it in. Just gonna connect that sexy together now. Just gonna be placing the water outlet on his position back where it's supposed to go. And here, you need to be very extra careful with those hoses, because those hoses, they are very fragile. They could be breaks in a second on your hands. You know, you have to be very extra careful with those brackets. Yes, you know. Okay. This is placing back. Just gonna put it back the same way that it was. Come in and time to keep going with it. Yes. Have to be patient. This is the intake. Just make sure when you put it in, make sure it's placing the right way. And tap this dipstick here. Just push it a little bit. Before I go too far, I'm just gonna connect it this wire here. If I didn't connect it, I'm not gonna have a chance to put it in. Then after that, just gonna go to here. This papa gonna go to here to that mama, and we're looking good so far. We're looking good. Yes, we are looking good. Let's see that sexy right here. P05 2E, positive crankcase ventilation. Yes, that's a sexy right there. It's time to erase the code now. I'm gonna erase the code for that sexy. Gonna current the code. Continue. Is clear already. It's time to start that sexy after the whole crazy job that we have done. There we go. I'm gonna take it on the highway to drive it. Yes. There we go. This is it, as you can see right here. That's running nice. Everything's looking good. After a nice road test, beautiful, that sexy is driving very nice on the highway. Now she's ready to go home. All right. Thank you guys for watching that video. Hopefully that video could help friends and family members. Please share that video and subscribe. Psalm 23 verse 1 said, "The Lord is my shepherd, is your shepherd, is our shepherd. We should not want." Yes. Please get ready.